Connect the gas bottle to the pre-routed pipe right small compartment. Open the water heater's battery compartment and insert 2 dry cell batteries. The positive terminal of the outer battery should face upward, while the positive terminal of the inner battery should face downward. Tighten the knob to close the battery compartment. Open the shower box. Pull out the shower wand and lift the switch to turn on the shower. Turn clockwise for hot water. Fill the water tank in advance. Once activated, the water heater ignites, burns gas and delivers hot water. Turn counterclockwise for cold water marked on the switch. Press down to shut off. After closing the handle, drain residual water inside the hose. You will feel the hose soften. You may then stow it back. If water remains inside, the hose stays rigid and cannot be retracted.